We have had a ton of questions for clients about ChatGPT ads. Is this available to everyone? When can you use it? What do they look like? So let's get into the who, what, when, where, why, how, what we know so far about ChatGPT ads. Number one, the who. Is this available for your brand? Sadly, probably not yet, but there are new brands getting added that people are seeing in the wild in ad placements every single week. So far, it's really big names, to be honest. Some ads have been spotted for Best Buy, AT&T, Pottery Barn, Enterprise, Expedia. But the good news is we have confirmed that they are testing an ad manager. So they said the ad manager is a dashboard that lets marketers run, monitor, and optimize campaigns in real time. So it seems like eventually there's going to be a self-serve ad platform that we can all use. One can only hope. They also just hired David Dugan. He used to work for the Meta Ads team. Hopefully this is a good sign. Not gonna look like the Meta Ads platform, I would hope, because it's pretty unusable to me. Also, from what we've heard from the people who are using ChatGPT ads right now, is that they're getting weekly CSV files with performance data like impressions and clicks. I would assume we're going to get more data than that, but right now it's looking pretty bleak. Okay, let's get into the what. What do ChatGPT ads look like? You could do some chatting on your own and probably get one to show up. They are showing up usually one brand at a time. We have seen two side by side in one example that I know of, but they were for the same brand, Best Buy, for two separate products. And they're showing up as the brand's favicon, the brand name. There is a sponsored label and a little image, kind of like an image extension in Google Ads with the product or some other image that I hope the advertiser gave. Like there was an example for AT&T where there were people crowded around a phone and it was really hard to see. When are ads showing in ChatGPT ads? I personally have only seen examples of e-commerce ads so far. So for particular products, Womp Womp for Team Lead Gen. Advertisers said that ads appear on the first prompt only. They're not seeing people who are going back and forth with ChatGPT ads trigger ads on like the third or fourth response. They're showing for things like, I'm going to buy a new iPhone. What's the best phone? I need a new phone. I need to buy a new desk. What's the best desk? Things like that where you're looking for the best option, comparing options. I had one trigger for bedding this morning. So you can, again, play around and probably get one to show for yourself. It also seems so far like there are, quote, this is from Athena again, no cookies, no profiles. Ads match what you ask, not who you are. So it's just based on what you're searching right now, not your previous chat history. Where are they showing? From what I've seen, they're only showing underneath the response from ChatGPT. So it's going to have the long description, answer to your question, and then there's an ad below at the bottom of the screen. Why? This is the question you probably know the answer to. Everyone is dying to get their brand featured in ChatGPT. This is where more and more people are doing their searching, doing their research, looking for buying options. And if you can pay to have your brand appear in one of these placements, it's going to be really lucrative for you. So a lot of people want to have their ads appear in ChatGPT. How can you get more information? So there is a page on openai.com that we will link to in this newsletter where you can, quote, sign up to stay informed on updates to ChatGPT ads. We have submitted the form as Cypress North as an agency, and we'll be sure to let all of our clients know when we hear more on ChatGPT ads. But if you want to do it for yourself to feel like you're doing something, you can obviously submit that form. I have mentioned Athena a couple times in this video. They are a company that is doing a lot of research on ads in AI ad placements, including ChatGPT and Google AI Overviews, AI Mode. They're a great resource, athena.com. I also follow them on LinkedIn, and they're doing posts every week about new brands that are appearing in ChatGPT ads, what the placements are looking like, and everything we know. So that's been a great resource for us too, and you could follow along with them. Obviously, tune into Marketing O'Clock every Monday. When there is news about ChatGPT ads, we are always reporting on it and we'll share it in the show weekly. And you can tell your account manager at Cypress North that you want to know about all of the updates on ChatGPT ads. You can be one of the first brands to show when it's available to you. Just let our team know and we'll let you know when we hear anything.